Hello，大家好，我是小花。今天小花想立个 flag，因为一年的1/6已经过去了，今天是3月14号，大概还剩285天左右，这一年就要度过啦。所以说，小花制定了一个100期的一个目标，然后100期的内容都是同一个主题，就是小花每天会花20分钟到30分钟去读一篇英语的新闻，然后与大家分享。也许现在小花的口语没有那么顺畅，也不是那么的地道，但是就是想去坚持这样一件事情，希望大家可以监督我，然后也希望感兴趣的朋友们也可以制定一个小小的目标，然后到年底之前大概可以完成这样一件事情。相信坚持的力量，坚持就会有收获的。让我们一起加油出发吧 ！Let's go!
A report came out about Espin Airlines plane that crashed last year. The plane is a Boeing 737 MAX plane. The crash kills everyone on board. That crash happened several months after an Indonesian airline plane crashes. It's also a Boeing 737 MAX plane. That crash also kills everyone on board. Both planes are new when they crash. The Espin plane has an automated safety feature. It can make the plane fly. It does not let the plane stall when it flies. The report says that the safety feature does not work. The Indonesian airline also had this safety feature.